it's going to be instrumental
in our success.
Yeah, absolutely.
Everything from marketing to team building to construction, they cover it all.
So we came here for vacation, the most amazing experience ever, and we were like, we need people to feel this where we are. I shouldn't say it's surprising, but definitely hearing about how they build their team, how they treat their people, like we're in a very similar area as well, so a very remote location. So how you get that talent and acquire that is huge, and it's going to be big for our project as well. We would tell someone who's interested in any type of short-term rental business to definitely learn from people who've been doing it for 10 years. So come here and learn all the things.
Everything about the workshop is extremely valuable, but the marketing and the team building really stood out above the rest. We signed up for further mentoring with them, and it's really, if you want to run a successful business, why not learn from the best? And we just jumped on it right away.
You have to.